Hello everyone, today we will compare Northone and Novo, two popular business banking platforms. Northone offers a straightforward and feature-rich banking solution designed for small businesses with tools for budgeting, invoicing, and seamless integration. Novo, on the other hand, provides a flexible and user-friendly banking experience tailored for entrepreneurs and small business owners, featuring no free banking, easy transfer, and integration with popular business tools. So in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, performance, customer support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. So if you want to sign up for Northone and Novo, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you might also get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now let's talk about the features comparison. And when we talk about the account types they provide, both Northone and Novo provides business checking accounts as I said on the intro. And when we talk about their mobile app integrations, yes, both platforms integrates mobile app with robust features for Northone and intuitive design for Novo. And when we talk about the integration, other integration, Northone integrates QuickBooks, Xero, Stripe, and PayPal, while Novo is the same with added of Shopify and Zapier. And when we talk about the physical checks, so both platforms don't support physical checks. And when we talk about the cash deposit, Northone, no physical branches, but cash deposit via MoneyPack. Same thing with Novo. So they don't have any physical cash deposit. And when we talk about transfer, Northone offers ACH, wire transfer, and bill payments. Same thing with Novo again. When we talk about the lastly, expense tracking, Northone offers basic tracking, while Novo has integrated expense tracking with receipt scanning. So more like advanced. So that's it for the features. So now let's go to the pricing. And when we talk about the monthly fee, Northone offers $10 of monthly fee for their premium, while Novo, they don't have any fees, so they're free. When we talk about the transaction fees, so both platforms have no transaction fees, they are free also. When we talk about the wire transfer fees, Northone offers $10 for outgoing domestic, $30 for international. Same thing with Novo, but they have $15 for outgoing domestic, same price for international. And when we talk about the ATM fees, both platforms have no ATM fees, but Northone can reimburse up to $10 a month. And lastly, for cash deposit fees, as I said, they don't have any physical cash deposit fees. So that's it for the pricing comparison. So now let's go to performance. And when we talk about account setup time, Northone actually takes 1 to 2 business days, while Novo only takes 1 business day. When we talk about the mobile app rating, so Northone is 4.4 out of 5 on App Store, while Novo has a rating of 4.8 over 5 on App Store. And when we talk about the customer satisfaction, Northone is generally positively reviewed, while Novo is highly positive reviewed. And when we talk about transaction speed, Northone is typically fast with ACH and wire transfer, same thing with Novo. And lastly, for reliability, both platforms have very high uptime with few reported issues. And yes, that's it for the performance comparison. So now let's go to another section, which is the customer support. So when we talk about the support channels, both platforms have phone, email, and in-app chat support. And when we talk about their response time, so Northone and Novo typically responds within a day. When we talk about availability, they are only available on Monday to Friday, business hours only. And when we talk about help centers, so they both have comprehensive online resources and facts. And lastly, for personalized support, Northone have phone support for more personalized assistance. Novo only have standardized support, generally quick responses. And that's it. So now we're done with the features, pricing, performance, and customer support comparison. Now let's go directly to the pros and cons. And let's start by discussing Northone pros and cons. And when we talk about the Northone pros, they have strong integration with popular accounting software. They have a robust mobile app with key banking features. They have a business saving accounts option available, and lastly, they have customer support via phone, which can be more personal. So yeah, that's good. And when we talk about the cons, North One monthly fee is, $10, which is quite let down compared to Novo, who have free or no monthly fees. And also, they have limited physical checks and cash deposit options. Lastly, they don't have overdraft protection in their platform. So that's it for the North One pros and cons. And when we talk about the Novo pros and cons, when it comes to pros, they don't have any monthly fees compared to North One, who has a $10 fee. Also, they have intuitive mobile app with high user ratings. They integrated expense tracking and receipt scanning. And lastly, they have a quick account setup with highly responsive support. So that's it for the pros. When it comes to cons, Novo have no support for physical checks. And also, the cash deposit options are limited. And lastly, they are also limited for physical branches. So yes, that's it for the Novo pros and cons. So now we're done with the pros and cons. Now let's go directly to which platform is the best for you. And let's start by discussing who should choose North One. So in North One is preferable for someone who prefer a business account with strong integration and accounting software, and also who value the option for phone support and are willing to pay a monthly fee. We need features like business saving accounts and comprehensive expense management system. And lastly, people who are comfortable with digital banking and can manage without physical branch access. So yes, that's it. So if you have all of these qualities, North One is perfect for you. So now let's talk about who should choose Novo. So for the people who should choose Novo, Novo is referable for someone who wants a no-fee banking solution with highly rated mobile app, who appreciate integrated expense tracking and receipt scanning, who prefer a quick setup and responsive customer support through email and chat, and lastly, someone who don't require physical branch services and can handle cash deposits through Manifact. So if you have all of this quality right here, Novo is perfect for you. And yes, that's it. So in conclusion, both platforms, North One and Novo, offers valuable features for small businesses and entrepreneurs, each with its unique strengths. So North One is ideal for those seeking robust integration and personalized phone support, while Novo stands out for its free fee model and intuitive app experience. So evaluate your business needs and preferences to determine which platform fits best with your financial management strategy. And yes, with that being said, the comparison is over, and I hope this comparison helps you choose the correct option. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and comment down below if you have any question. That's it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye.